How to buy AIFLIX token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. So if you click on their official website, you will be able to land on this page. So this token right now, it's in the pre-sale. So after you click or after you land in on their official website, click here on go to pre-sale. So after that, you will be redirected to the pre-sale page. So what you need to do here, just connect your wallet. So after that, select your wallet that you use. For example, I will use the MetaMask. So after that, I will just first log into my wallet. Now click on connect. So after you connect your wallet to the pre-sale page, what you need to do is just select one of these tokens, USDT or Ethereum. Select the token that you have a fund on your wallet. For example, USDT. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see how much you receive that token. So after that, click on approve. And as you can see, approve tokens in your wallet. Please, as you don't have enough so after that, the pop-up will be appear here from your wallet that you connected to this pre-sale page to be able to complete the buy process. So after that, you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. As you can see, and remember, the pre-sale will end by 41 days from now. So this is how to buy AIFLIX token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.